Today we're going to be making a little Valentine's video. It's not going to be very long, but I wanted to show you something cute that I came up with that I really thought that I should share. It's these little Valentine plaques here that you can get at the Dollar Tree. They look like this when you get them, and I embellished them by adding the nose and the mustache, the roses, the little bells, and they look so cute. The little pair of them that I thought I'd show you real quick how I did that. And these are the supplies that you're going to need. It's just a short little project, very easy. You want to get some of the doorknob hangers from Dollar Tree that have the flat hearts on them. There's two different kinds I noticed. This is the kind that I'm using with the little flat hearts on the doorknob hangers. And then you'll need a couple of little fur mustaches that I made out of some fur. They're 1 inch by 5 inch, the base. And I made those up. And then the Dollar Tree is selling these felt roses this year, which I just love. And you're going to need a couple roses from each one of these bags, 2 red roses and 2 of the pink roses. And then you're going to need the plaques. They look like this. And then 2 of the 6 by 6 pieces of coral fleece to make their noses. A couple rubber bands and some polyester fiberfill. And then I'm using a little bit of blush to blush out their nose a little bit. So other than the glue sticks and the scissors, that's all you should need. So I'll be right back to start the project. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is put the mustache on. And I took and I made with a 1 by 5 inch piece of the white fur, the mustache. And I want to put it on here, but I want to cut a little scoop out of it so that it fits better around that nose area. So what we want to do is just fold it in half. I've got it, I used my comb and I made a mustache out of the fur, the shape, and then just fold that in half and then cut out a little scoop out of the middle of it, about like that, so it goes into here better. And then we just want to glue that on there. Like that. Making sure that it goes straight out so that you can read the heart. This heart I had to change out on this red one because the print was double printed. And I didn't notice it until I got it home. So I put another heart on top of the heart that was on this one. So you'll notice at the store that this one says love on it when you buy it. And so then the other mustache for the other one will do the same thing. We'll just fold that right in half. Take out a little scoop out of it. Like that. We'll put that right on right there. And then the next thing we'll do is the nose. You want to take your 6x6 piece of coral fleece, or you could use felt, and then take your polyester fiber fill and kind of shape it the shape that you're going to want, which is the nose is like an oval shape to it. And put it right there in the middle. And push that through. Take your rubber band and just kind of try to maintain your shape. About like that is what we want. And I'll do the second one right now. So that's pretty good. Then I'm going to take my scissors and I'm just going to cut off this extra. Yeah, that should do it. And then what we want to do is glue on the nose. Right over the top of where the print is. And hold that down there for a minute. I'll do the other one. Just like that. And I'll go ahead and put the blush on them right now. You just want to touch this up slightly. Just blush it out a little bit. And then you want to take your door hangers and you want to take off the bow. Like that. And you want to put your bow right there above the nose. I'm out of glue. on that one. And then we'll get the red bow from the red door hanger. There we go. We'll put that on there. And then we'll add the roses. We want to be able to see the bow. And then the bells, you want to do a bell just under the bow up here, coming down. So take a bell about like that. And then we do one coming from the hand. About like that. And then we'll do this one. We're going to do this one coming from here. I'm just checking the length. That'll be good. And then one from the hand. That a little shorter. Just put it right on the edge of the hand there. And there you have them. Just a real quick and easy way to embellish the plaques, to make them kind of come to life a little bit more. Not that they're not really adorable without doing this to them, but this just, to me, makes them a little bit more lifelike. So, thanks for coming in and spending some time with us today. And if you like this video, make sure to like. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe.